Before I start this review, I want to say I don't like war. War is not good. If you have anything to say about a conflict in the world, a hateful comment or whatever, this is not the right channel. Here we discuss scale models, diecast models, etc. This machine reminds me of the fact that something is wrong in the world, otherwise you don't need machines like this. Let's continue with the review. It's a Leopard 2A7 and it says metal and plastic parts. I have no idea why they put that on the box after all these years, because it is plastic parts and no metal. I will show you that. It's from the brand Panzerkampf, limited edition. Well, eventually everything is a limited. Here we got some text, a freeze-up frame if you want to see it, and like I was saying, a Leopard 2A7. I have many more models from the brand Panzerkampf. It is actually, in my opinion, one of the best brands if you are interested in military vehicles in a 172 scale. They have a big range, the quality is good, but I have no idea why there is on the package metal plus plastic parts. Very strange. So here we have a nice background. That background is also the same for all these years. Yeah, comes in a nice display case. Is very well protected, and then you can take it out very easy. No screws or whatsoever. I like that. Let's add some more light. There we go, and we go to detail mode. Whoop. And then we're going to have a look at this Leopard 2A7 in winter camouflage. And that was actually the reason I bought it. I have quite a lot of these tanks, different styles, different colors. They're very well detailed. As you can see, yeah, the turret is also moving 360 degrees. Shovel, all well painted. Smoke grenades, antennas. No moving tracks. This is a 172 scale plastic model, and they have no moving tracks. We do have a license plate. Thank you so much for that. Steel chains or cable it is. I guess if it's stuck in the mud or something else is stuck in the mud, they will use them. I like the yellow accent here for the driver's seat. Mirrors for looking back. Only needed when they are going on the road. Yes, also very important, the 762 machine gun. Don't know the name of it, but it's a German machine gun. Don't understand why the Leopard doesn't have a .50 machine gun. So it should have a 762 machine gun here and a .50 right here for some extra power. I think these are also smoke grenades. Not sure if it is the same as here on the side. If you have any more information about it, please let me know in the comments. I'm also not a tank expert. I like these war machines, but I'm not an expert. Yeah, we can move this up and not down. All the way up. Okay, now let's have a look at the base. Yeah, I think There is a small piece of metal inside the tank to give it a little bit more weight. Otherwise it will get too light. That doesn't feel well. You know, same with Diecast Cars. When it has a metal base, it has some more weight. It feels nice in the hand. Yeah, so no moving tracks, but I can tell you these models are very nice, very well done, very well painted. Also pretty strong. Do I have some figures? Yeah, I have some 172 German figures. I have these for quite a while. They're not super well painted, but they are matching the tank. Also one with a drone right here. Pretty cool, right? And I also have this one. This is more summer outfit. I don't have German winter soldiers. I do have these right here. This is also German. Green outfit, no winter outfit, but they will also fit pretty well next to the tank. I have a lot of these 172 scale soldiers all painted. If you want to see a review about them, let me know in the comments and I will do a review about some of them. Okay, thanks for watching. The only thing I have to do now is create a nice thumbnail. I think I'm going to use AI, so I'm going to make a photo like this or like this and then ask Gemini for a nice winter scene or something like that. Okay, let's have a last look quick at the tank. And I'm going to tell you why YouTube likes 8 plus videos, 8 minutes plus videos. Then it gets better promoted. So yeah, let's do that. And I'll show you the tank a little bit more detail. Maybe I can take this off. Yeah. Well, I can't see if there is any metal inside. Yeah, this all feels plastic, and also this here is plastic. Yeah, how do we do this? We do it like this. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Smash the like button and make skill models great again here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.